Give everybody some time to join. What's up, Team Bull? Good morning. Good morning. Let me share my screen for you guys. Let's see. Share. Bet. I gotta sneeze. Yeah. Good morning. What up? What up? What up? Still sick today, but you know, we're here. I have like an hour, so I have to be done trading by 8:30 Mountain Time. So in an hour and 15, I gotta dip out of here. Hopefully we can find something in the meantime. What's up, everybody? Good morning. Let's see. Trading. What up? What up? Good morning. Who we got up in here? We got Justin, Trevor, Bone, Nez, John. Everybody in the TikTok, good morning. Again, still sick, but we're still here. Boom. Bet. If you guys could, real quick, everybody watching on the TikTok, take 2 seconds, hit that like button. Oh my God, I can't talk. I'm stuttering. Take 2 seconds, hit that like button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Also, make sure to hit that follow button. Helps a lot with the algo. Everybody watching on the tube, if you guys haven't, make sure to subscribe. You guys know the deal. Every single morning, I live trade for completely free. All you guys got to do, join, follow, like, subscribe if you're on the tube. And then also, if you guys ever get accounts, Take Profit Trader, Apex, Tradeify, Lucid, make sure to use discount code Brandon, all caps. New to the channel, fire. Welcome. Again, I am still sick, still all congested, but yeah. So my indicator actually ended up smacking that demand on ES. There's an auto plotted 30-minute zone right there, came down into it, hit it, and then it rallied like 40 points. So nice little move. But again, I have like an hour today, so hopefully we can find something within an hour. Hopefully. And then your boy's flying out to Vegas. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button to be greatly appreciated. Double tap that screen, helps a lot with the algo. Everybody on the tube, you guys know the drill. If you're watching on TikTok, you want a full screen view, as well as see my order flow instead of the cropped image that you get over here on TikTok. Without order flow, make sure to head on over to my tube channel. You should know what the tube is. Go over there, type in BrandonTrades. I have 1,800 videos teaching you on how to trade, 128,000 subscribers as well. So again, tons of free education over there. And again, the tube is BrandonTrades. I'll pop right up. Probably a tweet. If I had a yes, but then it just sold straight off. So yeah, don't really have a whole lot of zones, to be honest. No good demands, no good supplies. We took out the only demand I had, bounced off of it, but that's about it. Good morning, everybody in Team Bull that's just joining. Mr. Gino, are you here? What up? Still sick, bro. Yup. I felt like shit last night. Thankfully, I feel better. but 2 days in a row I did not sleep at all. That was just a sweep of pre-market high, and I haven't changed it. I plotted that before it happened. Let's make this bread. You guys got any questions before market open? Any questions at all? I either don't trade or I look for a high probability intraday setup. So we'll see if that is to be offered. But again, I have an hour today. So if we get something cool, if we don't get something in the first hour, I walk away. I go catch my flight. Any questions? And again, real quick, we got over 200 people on the TikTok. If you guys are not following, take 2 seconds, hit that follow button. I live trade on here every single morning for you guys for completely free. Call out my trades start to finish. I don't trade fair value gaps. I'm a straight man. Value indicator doesn't work. Yeah, it works on Thinkorswim as well as TradingView. Both of them. Going to Vegas for business. But yeah, make sure you guys follow. Subscribe on the tube as well. My tube is BrandonTrades. 1,800 videos, 128,000 subscribers. Just make sure you guys tap in. We do have 8 minutes until market open. As always, if you guys need funded accounts, Apex is currently 90% off. So if you guys use code Brandon, you'll be able to get 90% off on Apex. If you don't like Apex and you prefer Take Profit Trader, Lucid, or Tradeify, you can also use code Brandon over there to get the best possible discount. I got most of the tattoo done, but I started to not feel good, and then my head was hurting, so I said I'm done for the day. I still had like another hour and a half, but I was like, nah, I'm done. Got a good chunk of it done, but yeah. Average butt cheek muncher. It's a nice name you got there. We'll go to NQ, don't you worry. Don't you worry. What are you watching today, GD? Fire. Hopefully. Hopefully we get a banger. Appreciate the follows. Let's see. MES, MQ, cool. Ready to rock. I don't really have a bias today. So we'll see what the market offers. again, just high probability setups. That's all we can do. High probability setups, proper risk management, and then go from there. But we swept these highs. So, I mean, ideally, would like to see us get back up above these two highs right here for continuation higher. Get below this low right here, then we can look for shorts. So, that is my game plan for the day. Again, no key levels on ES, red, and Q. Maybe we could watch something on gold. But, yeah, AMD gapped up. Maybe could watch something there. That's about it. Let's see, is there a 2-hour demand on NQ? No. No 2-hour demand. Appreciate it, Drew. How many trades do I take on a daily basis? 1, maybe 2. But like 1 to 2 at max. Sometimes maybe 3, but it's like so rare that I'll take 3 trades in a day. It's mainly probably like 1, to be honest. I'd say 90% of the time it's 1 trade. That's how I prefer to trade. Come in, take advantage of what the market has to offer, and then, you know, move on. If it offers me another one, then, you know, obviously I'll take 2. Mainly 1, though. All right. But we got 4 minutes. Again, if you guys could, make sure to double tap that screen. It'd be greatly appreciated. Helps a lot with the algo on TikTok. Everybody on the tube, make sure to find that thumbs up and hit it. We have 120 of you in here and only 46 likes. So I don't know what the deal of that is. Find that thumbs up, click it. And if you guys are new, make sure to subscribe. Everybody watching on TikTok, if you guys want a full screen view and see my order flow as well, make sure to head on over to my tube channel. You should know what the tube is. But that's going to be BrandonTrades, 1,800 videos teach you on how to trade for completely free. As well as my live streams, 128,000 subs, all that good stuff. So again, my tube is BrandonTrades. Make sure you guys tap it. And one more time before the market opens, if you guys need funded accounts, Apex currently 90% off. Make sure to use code Brandon in all caps. It'll get you 90% off. If you don't like Apex, take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid. Those are the 4 firms that I trust. You can also use code Brandon over there and get the best possible discount. But we got 3 minutes until market open. As always, trade safe, trade smart. If there's no setup, you don't take a trade. If there is a setup, then obviously we take the trade and we use basic risk management. So, yeah. Yeah. Any questions before open? 2 minutes. I'm telling you, code Brandon is the good luck charm to pass and get payouts. That is the good luck charm. I don't have a bias today, up or down. I will say with 100% certainty, the market will go from left to right. That I do know will happen. As far as overall bias, I don't know. We're not near any key levels, and we took my key levels out. So, we'll see. See what the market gives us. There we go. Finally mark that pre-market high. What up? Let's crush it again, Team Bull. Let's get this bag. Remember, A+ setups only. I only got one chart on the screen, Juan. You can only flip so many times. It just depends which one gives us a setup. But they look the exact same. See if we retested that previous day high. Yeah, we already did. All right, let's get it. Remember, A+ setups only. Trade safe, trade smart. Let's make some money. I have 1 hour starting right now, 1 hour from now. See if we can get something. Just full port and walk away. I'll tell you what, I hate being congested and shit. It's the most annoying thing in the world. And then also for tomorrow, because I'm going to be in Vegas, when I live trade tomorrow, it's not going to be on Tube and it's not going to be on TikTok. I'm going to post a Zoom link. Okay. So you guys are going to have access to the Zoom link. I'll post it on my IG. Again, I don't know if I can say the whole thing on TikTok, but I'll post it on my IG. I'll post it here on the Tube in my announcements channel. And I'll post it inside of my free Discord as well as Team Bull. So if you guys are not in any of those or have notifications on or follow me on IG, whatever, at least get one of them if you want to trade with me tomorrow on Zoom, because I will be posting that link tomorrow. It's the one thing I hate about traveling is I can't do Tube streams and TikTok at the same time. So, Zoom it is. It's quiet in here today, GD. Only 157 people. They don't like this anymore. Losers, facts. It's like, if you guys join every day, we appreciate you. Yep, it's got to be a quickie today, Don. 1 hour. All right. And as always, if you guys have questions, feel free to type them in the chat when and I'll answer them if I don't see anything. Well, I just wait. No, get a better platform than Robinhood. I mean, you can trade options on there. It's way faster than it was back in COVID, but you know, Thinkorswim is better, and then Trade if you trade futures. Let's see. AMD's doing good. Google's going. I use Thinkorswim for my charting and Trade for executing. And then, yes, I live trade every day. ES and NQ. Yeah, probably everybody is out of town, low key. I just get sick whenever I travel. People are gross. I was just in Cali, so I mean that probably explains why I'm sick. Cali's dirty. AMD looks pretty good if it holds above this 209. Then maybe a retest. Again, if you guys could, make sure to double tap that screen. It'd be greatly appreciated. Let's try to get like, let's aim for 3,000 likes on the TikTok. We got 300 of you in here. We have 1,056 likes so far. All you got to do is double tap. That's it. Double tap. And then on the tube, we got 170 of you in here. Let's aim for like 125 likes on the tube. I mean, you could get a prop with $100, but as far as trading like with your own capital for 100, it's very hard to do. I don't even think anything costs $100 as far as options. But you could buy an Apex account right now for like $35. Zicam nasal spray. Interesting. I'll try it. I'll see if they have it at the airport. Again, I don't have a bias today. There's no like key levels for us to target on the upside or the downside, so not really like a bias. I'm kind of just gonna wait, see what the market offers, and then go from there. $31 for the Apex account. Sorry. I was hoping that AMD would push more before retesting that 209. No supply on AMD. Maybe I'll make a quick pit stop then. Again, everybody watching on the TikTok, if you guys want to tap into the tube, where I'm also live streaming right now with my order flow, and you can also see my full screen, make sure to tap into my tube, BrandonTrades, where I'm live right now as well. 1,800 videos, teach you on how to trade for completely free, 128,000 subs, all that good shit. So again, tap into the tube, BrandonTrades. As far as the daily demand, I'd consider, I mean, that upper wick is pretty high. It would just be a higher risk bounce for the upper wick, but the open of the body is way better. For sure. Well, AMD said, fuck us. So I don't care about that. Is there a supply zone on the 4 hour? No. Wait, 24,066. No, we don't have one till like 25,130. Pretty far away. Waiting for some kind of setup. We don't have anything right now. What? Not to be the inside of my eyelids. I have no key levels at all. Unless we hold above pre-market high. Patience, my friends. Patience. Come on, keep running up the likes on the tube. TikTok's about to meet their goal. They're already over the first portion. We got 190 of you in the tube. I think you guys can hit 125 likes. I believe in you guys. Yep, PMI and ISM today. Definitely be careful if you're in a position going into both of them. They're kind of hit or miss, but obviously the times where they hit, if you're in a position and it goes against you, very easy way to blow an account. Very easy. I guess let's see what happens if we pull back here to the moving averages. Again, if you guys are looking to get funded, Apex is currently 90% off. So if you guys need Apex accounts, make sure to use discount code Brandon in all caps. It'll get you that 90% off. Again, that's for Apex. If you don't like Apex and you prefer Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid, make sure to use code Brandon over there as well. It'll get you the best possible discounts on those other platforms. But again, Brandon for Apex, Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, and Lucid. But I would like to see a pullback into these moving averages. Ideally, it waits until after PMI. If it hits it close to PMI, then we're just going to have to wait. Good shit, Stockfather. Good shit. God damn. Oh. I was hoping we would wait to do this until we get PMI. Yeah, they're breaking below this level. I wanted to see if we could hold it for potential longs, but it looks like we're going to lose it, so. There was what? What did it say? Don't say, mijo. Gotta stay patient, fam. We got news here in 1 minute. Let's see what the PMI brings, and then ISM at 10. ISM is at 10. Damn, Tube, you guys are slacking with the thumbs up today. 200 of you in here and only 88. Crazy. TikTok hit their like goal, but the Tube, you guys are slacking. You guys still need like 40 more. TikTok is showing you guys out the door today. 125 likes. That's the goal on the tube. All right, here's PMI. It's pretty bearish last 5-minute candle elevation in the volume. See if we can lose VWAP both on ES and NQ, and I'd start to flip a little more bearish once we get below there. And if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. Subscribe as well. If you're watching on the TikTok and you want a full screen view instead of a cropped image, make sure to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades, where I'm also live right now. 1,800 videos, 128,000 subs. Again, I'm live over there with a full screen view. My tube is BrandonTrades if you want to tap it. BrandonTrades. You're in it? Fire. Yeah, you lose this VWAP. It's gone. GD's in some shorts, but I'm gonna hold off. Just waiting patiently. Waiting patiently. Nothing for me now. It's only been 15 minutes. And my setup's not present. I wait for my setups. Nice little scalp so far. Where'd you enter? There you go. Good shit. GD straight popped, not popped, but like dropped about 40, 50 points on NQ from his entry. He took it on QQQ. He trades options, but obviously he could trade NQ if he wanted to. He's going to get this low a day. Watch. So just a reject of that VWAP area. Moving average VWAP. Fire. That was fire. You're going to get low a day. It's crazy that the candles don't look that big, but they actually are very big. That's why I said scalp. But then I realized it dropped like fucking $2. Patiently waiting for setup. GD already called out a winner. It's below that VWAP now on NQ. I personally think he gets low a day, but that's me talking without a position. I got 40 minutes until I gotta leave for the airport. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. We got 430 of you here in the TikTok, and guarantee not all of you are following. We have 217 of you on the tube. I feel like most of you are subscribed on the tube, but if you're not, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And again, if you guys are watching on TikTok, you guys want a full screen view instead of a little cropped image that you have over here, and to see my order flow platform book map, which plays a huge role in my trading, make sure to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades, and also learn about my strategy over there. 1,800 videos, and bet. But yeah, if you want to learn more about my strategy, head on over to the tube. You should know what the tube is. Type in BrandonTrades. I'll pop right up. God damn it, dude. I just want to not be sick. Yeah, NQ dropped like 40, 50 points from where you entered. It's a solid trade. Mm-hmm. We got ISM here in 8 minutes. God damn it. Bro, I hate coughing and just sneezing all day. You know how hard it was yesterday when I was getting my tattoo to not sneeze when she was shading my arm? Impossible. But I did it. Gold's looking pretty interesting. Have a good one, Taylor. You guys made money off that trade with GD. Posted it in hashtag post your gains. I heard he's buying everybody an account. Even if you made $1. Good shit, Braden. Yeah, feel free to ask questions too while we're just chilling, everybody, waiting for a setup. We got ISM here in 6 minutes, so I don't really expect a whole lot to happen between now and then. Feel free to ask. I do want to watch this next 5-minute candle close on gold and then see if we can pull back and test the moving averages because, it looks pretty good for upside. But we're right at that daily 21 EMA. Potentially with gold. AMD's back up above that 209. AMD. This fucker's gonna push before I can even get the options pulled up. Let's see, what would our risk be? 2.65. A little more than that. Back up above that. 209. I'm gonna watch AMD right here. If we can hold back up above this 209. Only issue is the news in 4 minutes, but I mean, I like it. Had the 210s pulled up for tomorrow. I'm gonna give them a try. Gave these AMD 210s a try for tomorrow. First price target's high day. What? I think so. See if we get this push up. Come on. You know you want high day. Now, who's all in this? Just LBJ? Feel like he's the only person in here that trades options still. Bet me and LBJ ride this shit. Realistically, it should go to high day. And then a new high day. You have news here in 30 seconds. Hopefully we can get that high day break before the news. Obviously, if you guys want to close it before, you can. We are in profit slightly, but I want to see if we can get this move in a high day. Our downside is, very small. So if we get a high day, it should be about like a 2-hour trade on the options compared to our risk. Come on, AMD. This is looking really good. We need QQQ to get some strength in it. Come on, get above 210 for us. What's he talking about tonight? Or is it just the same old? Yeah, same old. You can watch NQ for this 30-minute orb as well. While AMD takes its sweet ass time. There we go. We're above 210. See if we can hold it. Bro, come on. See, why can't we get continuation like this MU on this AMD? We're probably gonna have to stop out for like a 10% loss if we lose this this VWAP area. Still in. Still holding that 209 nicely. If we can just get strength above that 210, we did have some sellers up there. But if we can get strength above 2010, we're good. Get below this VWAP, I'm going to close this, everybody. Yeah, I'm closing this AMD. If it can retest this 209, like reclaim it, I'll reconsider. But we kept rejecting off of that 310, 210. It wasn't profits, we just couldn't get above it. I was looking for a high day on that. So I will take the L and look for a better setup. It's mainly because Nvidia is not doing shit. Yeah. Yeah, the only thing I've taken today is an AMD. It looks like that NQ. That setup I would have watched on that NQ too. I was just stuck in this AMD. I'll look for a re-entry on this AMD. Potentially. Okay. I'm gonna try this AMD one more time. Lighter size right here. Well, not lighter size, but like I'm willing to add if it comes back to 209. Let's push. Looking to see if we potentially get our ad or if we got to get out again. But if I go for 2, I'm just going to call it and go to the airport. Weakness below this VWAP, and I will get out of AMD. Starting to reclaim this 209 again. I like this reclaim. See if we get more upside. AMD is being stubborn today. Blue, you're funded today. That's part of trading, unfortunately. You just got to figure out what you did wrong, journal, and come back better. But again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button to be greatly appreciated. I live trade on here every single morning. So if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. Everybody on the tube, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you guys are watching on TikTok and you want to tap into my tube channel, you should know what the tube is. That's going to be BrandonTrades, 128,000 subs, 1,800 videos teach you on how to trade, all that good shit. So again, my tube is BrandonTrades. Thinking about potentially adding to this. Keep holding that 209. Almost at that 30-minute orb. All right. I added a little bit more on this AMD. Thank you, soldier. Got to get above this trend line at 209.70, as well as this 210 that we've been rejecting off of. But like I said, I still think this AMD wants high a day. It's just being stubborn. Only if it was moving like fucking MU, yeah. And Intel. It's just nuking. Yeah. I mean, we're constantly holding that pre-market high. The risk reward's there. We're not really risking that much. We're in the green right now off of our average. So obviously, I like to give you guys that choice. If you don't like it, you can get out for break even, slightly in profits. But I want high of day, and hopefully it can do it within the next 15 minutes would be ideal. I gotta catch a flight. Yeah. And if you guys are looking to get funded, everybody on the TikTok as well as the Tube, Apex is currently 90% off. Make sure to use code Brandon in all caps. It'll get you the best possible discount. If you don't like Apex, then you can use Take Profit Trader, Lucid, or Tradeify. Same thing though, you can use code Brandon and get the best possible discount. So again, Apex 90% off with code Brandon, all caps. If you don't like Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid, use code Brandon as well, all caps. Always gets you the best possible discount. Bro, this fucking AMD is being annoying. I ain't got time for that today. There's a lot of sellers at 210. If we can take out that 210, it's high day. If you guys are looking at my screen. There we go. It's a nice 5-minute candle getting above that trend line. Bro. Stuff LBJ. Again, I'm still targeting that high a day. Yes, definitely looks like it wants more upside. You're looking good, AMD. Don't fail me now. Come on. Crack this 210, you son of a bitch. Break it. Break it. You can do it. It's above it. Can it push, though? There we go. Nice. Okay. I'm going to take a trim right here, everybody. Take a trim right here. Stop loss is break even. God damn. Nice. See if we get that high a day. That ES long hit too, if anybody took it. Had that 5-minute structure that I like to look for. I took off a good chunk on that pop up. I would really like to see a crack high a day. Do have some sellers at 210.50, a lot at 211. There we go. Going into this high day. Want to see if we can get above 210.50. Take out those sellers. I'd be willing to take more off going into the actual high day at 60. Again, keep your stops at break even. We're probably going to come and hit it. Yeah. I'm out, everybody. Got a good trim on that move up towards high day, and then stopped out the rest at break even. So that is what the market has offered me today. Now watch, it's going to stop me out at break even, then nuke above high day, but I'll take what I have. Very small green day. And call it here. Get ready to go to the airport. Anybody take the re-entry? I know, for real. But yeah, if anything, I would watch probably that 30-minute order break and retest, take it back up into pre-market high. Yeah, of course, AMD's going to get bought back up now, you fucker. But, all right, I got a dip. GD, I'm going to make you host. Make host, boom. Bet. All right, Team Bull, have a good one. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow morning. Peace. All right, everybody in the TikTok and the Tube, make sure you guys are subscribed and following, and make sure you are on my Instagram where you get notified anytime I upload on Tube or any of my notifications, because tomorrow I'm going to post a free Zoom link. All right, so I'll be in Vegas. I will not be live on TikTok or Tube tomorrow, so I'm going to be posting the free Zoom link for you guys. That way you can join. All right, so my IG is BrandonTrades. I'll post it on there. My Tube is BrandonTrades as well. So subscribe, follow. Hopefully, you guys made some money today. Hope you all have an amazing day, and I will talk to you guys in the morning. Peace.